In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage marketing contacts and lists with HubSpot. Whether you're organizing your contacts for the first time or looking to create targeted marketing lists, HubSpot's tools make it easy to stay on top of your CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create and manage lists that help you connect with the right audience and boost your marketing efforts. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link provided in the description to sign up. It's quick and you'll need it to follow along. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to HubSpot's official website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot and don't have an account yet, make sure to set one up before continuing. Once you've logged in, take a look at your dashboard from here. Navigate to the CRM section, which you'll find in the main navigation menu. This is the central hub for managing all your contact information and activities, making it the perfect place to start when organizing your marketing efforts. Next, click on the section labeled Lists. This is where all your existing lists are displayed and managed. Think of this as your personal filing cabinet for contacts, a well-organized space where you can access and refine your marketing lists anytime. Now locate and click on the Create List button. This is where the magic begins. By creating a new list, you can define exactly who you want to target with your marketing campaigns. Whether you're focusing on potential leads, existing customers, or a specific audience segment, this tool helps you build a custom list tailored to your goals. When creating your list, you'll need to define the criteria for the contacts you want to include. HubSpot allows you to filter your contacts based on various properties like their location, the type of company they work for, or even their interaction history with your business. For example, if you're running a local campaign, you might filter by location to include only contacts in a specific area. Or if you're targeting repeat customers, you could use interaction history to focus on those who have engaged with your content before. Taking a moment to set these criteria thoughtfully will ensure that your marketing materials reach the most relevant and interested audience. Once you've set your criteria and are satisfied with your list, don't forget to save it. Keep in mind you can revisit and adjust these criteria later if your campaign goals change or if you need to refine your targeting. HubSpot's flexibility allows you to update your lists as your needs evolve. And finally, with your lists created and ready to go, you can now use them to focus your marketing efforts. Whether it's for email campaigns, event invites, or other strategies, these lists help you connect with your audience in a more personalized and impactful way, increasing engagement and driving better results. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to managing marketing contacts and creating targeted lists in HubSpot. With these tools, you'll be able to streamline your campaigns and make sure your message reaches the right people at the right time. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using HubSpot for your marketing efforts, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.